This video will be a DIY headband wig tutorial. You'll be needing your wig cap, your mannequin, you'll be needing your hair extension of choice, as well as scissors, needle, thread, some T-pins, and of course the headband itself.
Not what I mean. Telling my friends that I hate you, but we both know that it ain't true. These are the moments we go.
So now I'll be sewing the headband onto the wig cap. Turn the wig cap inside out on top of the headband itself. Then you begin to sew, leaving some parts of the headband out. So you are basically trying to cover the ends of the wig cap. So this is what it looks like after sewing the headband onto the wig. Hope you understand. So next up, I'll be taking out the hair I'm going to use to sew on to the wig. So now start sewing the hair onto the wig. Just watch, learn, enjoy. Leave your thoughts down in the comment section. Leave your question down in the comment section. I'll be leaving everything I used in the video in my description, so check it out. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, give it a like.
I'm in love with the letdown. We got problems, but we don't wanna talk about it, do we? No. Yeah, I get anxious. I'm on the edge, I don't want you to save me. Ooh. Fighting your car on the way home, leaving a message on your phone, telling you to leave me alone. It's not what I mean. Telling my friends that I hate you, but we both know that it ain't true. These are the motions we go through.
Still sewing the hair onto the wig. Just watch and see how it's done.
Confused with love. But the truth is, I'm in love with the love and the love with the letdown. I'm addicted to you and I'm craving the fallout. I'm in love with the letdown. I'm in love with the letdown. I'm in love with the letdown. Ooh, oh, yeah, yeah. I'm in love with the love with the letdown. With the letdown. I'm addicted to you when I'm craving the fallout. The fallout. Build it up, burn it down, here we go now. I'm in love with the letdown. Oh no. I'm in love with the letdown. Oh no, no, no. I'm in love with the letdown. With the letdown. I'm in love with the letdown. I was used to hiding what I want and panicking when my name was called. I'd bolt and anything short of drawing night would make me feel shy. You smile. Oh, you did everything that you could to drown out all the whispers that I was no good. Your words were little ceilings under me that grew into a mighty wood. Here I go, now I'm fading out, and the game is on. I'm rising 'cause I'm ready to take it on. Here I go, now I'm fading out, and the game is on. I'm rising 'cause I'm ready to take it on. Here I go. Here I go. I've got lightning underneath my feet, a synergy moving my anatomy in harmony.
I'm going to do the front parts of the hair, so just going to be sewing it line by line. Just watch and see.
I was used to hiding what I want and panicking when my name was called. I'd bolt and anything short of drawing night would make me feel shy. You smile. Oh, you did everything that you could to drown out all the whispers that I was no good. Your words were little ceilings under me that grew into a mighty wood.
If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button, share, leave a comment, and you can also check out my other videos if you're new to the channel. almost done, just sewing down what's left of the hair. This is what the wig looks like, all done. Look how beautiful the hair is. So now I'm just going to be putting it on my hair. Simple DIY coily headband wig. Turned out really nice. Look at how it's styled, look at how it turned out. Did you be trying out this DIY? Simple, you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Check out my videos, I'll be linked in the cards and in the description down below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.